얼마나, 얼마나. This is used to ask how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Again, 얼마나 means how much. Next word is 전화. Again, it's 전화. This is a noun which means telephone. Again, 전화 means telephone. Next word is 안 매워요. Again, it's 안 매워요. This is an adjective which means not spicy. Again, 안 매워요 means not spicy. Next word is 안 가요. Again, it's 안 가요, which means not going. Again, 안 가요 means not going. Next word is 왜요. Again, it's 왜요, and this is a polite way of asking why. Again, 왜요 is a polite way of asking why. Next word is 전화해. Again, it's 전화해, and this is an informal way of saying call me. Again, 전화해 is used to say call me. Next word is 왜입니까? Again, it's 왜입니까, and this is a formal way of asking why. Again, 왜입니까 is used to say or ask why in a formal manner. Next word is 좋네요. Again, it's 좋네요. This is used to say good, and there is a sense of surprise or admiration that something is good when you say 좋네요. Next word is 날씨. Again, it's 날씨. This is a noun which means weather. Again, 날씨 means weather. Next word is 갔어요. Again, it's 갔어요, and it means went, as in the past tense of go. Again, 갔어요 means went. 먹었어요. 먹었어요. It means ate, or the past tense of eat. Again, 먹었어요 means ate. Next word is 맛있습니다. Again, it's 맛있습니다, and this is a formal way of saying delicious. Again, 맛있습니다 means delicious. The next word is 맛없어요. Again, it's 맛없어요, and this is a way of saying that something is not tasty or not delicious. Again, 맛없어요 means not delicious. Next word is 남동생. Again, it's 남동생, and this is a noun which means younger brother. Again, 남동생 means younger brother. Next word is 여동생. Again, 여동생, and it means younger sister. Again, 여동생 means younger sister. Next word is 가요. Again, it's 가요, and it simply means go. Take note that this is the present tense form of 가다. Again, 가요 means go. Next word is 먹어요. Again, it's 먹어요, which means eat, and this is simply the present tense form of 먹다. Again, 먹어요 means eat. Next word is 봐요. Again, it's 봐요, which means see, and this is the present tense form of 보다. Again, 봐요 means see. Next word is 해요. Again, it's 해요, and it means do, and this is the present tense form of the verb 하다. Again, 해요 means do. Next word is 맛있어. Again, it's 맛있어. And this is an informal way of saying there is taste or delicious. Again, 맛있어 means tasty or delicious. 없다. 없다, which means to not exist or to not have. Again, 없다 means to not exist or to not have. Next word is 물론. Again, it's 물론, and it means sure or of course. Again, 물론 means sure or of course. Next word is kimchi. Again, it's kimchi, and it simply pertains to the fermented vegetable dish of Korea. Again, kimchi pertains to the fermented vegetable dish. Next word is cake. Again, it's cake. This is considered a loan word which pertains to cake. Again, cake means cake. Next word is 수업. Again, it's 수업. This is a noun which means class or lesson. Again, 수업 means class or lesson. Next word is 조금. Again, it's 조금, and it means a little. Again, 조금 is used to describe something as a little. Next word is 아주. Again, it's 아주, and it means very. Again, 아주 is used to say very. Next word is 나무. Again, it's 나무. This is a noun which means tree or wood. Again, 나무 means tree or wood. Next word is 화요일. Again, it's 화요일, and this pertains to Tuesday, as in the day of the week. Again, 화요일 means Tuesday. Next word is 주다. Again, it's 주다, and this is a verb which means to give. Again, 주다 is a verb which means to give. 덥다. 덥다. This is a verb which means to help. Again, 덥다 is a verb which means to help. Next word is 과일. Again, it's 과일. This is a noun which means fruit. Again, 과일 means fruit. Next word is 생선. Again, it's 생선. This is a noun which means fish. Again, 생선 means fish. Next word is 바다. Again, it's 바다. This is a noun which means ocean or sea. Again, 바다 means ocean or sea. Next word is 가수. Again, it's 가수. This is a noun which means singer. Again, 가수 means singer. Next word is 남자친구. Again, it's 남자친구. This is a noun which means boyfriend. Again, 남자친구 means boyfriend. Next word is 여자친구. Again, it's 여자친구. This is a noun which means girlfriend. Again, 여자친구 means girlfriend. Next word is 맛있는. Again, it's 맛있는. This is an adjective which means delicious. Again, 맛있는 means delicious. The next word is actually a phrase. It's 도와주세요. Again, it's 도와주세요. And this is used to say, give me help or help me. Again, 도와주세요 is used to ask help. Next word is 미안해요 or 미안해요. And this is a polite way of saying, I'm sorry. Again, 미안해요 means I'm sorry. 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 This is a noun which means sound. Again, sorry means sound. Next word is 물고기. Again, it's 물고기. This is another noun and it means fish. Again, 물고기 means fish. Next word is 치마. Again, it's 치마. This is another noun and it pertains to skirt. Again, 치마 means skirt. Next word is 함께. Again, it's 함께. And this is used to say together. Again, 함께 means together. Next word is 취미. Again, it's 취미. And this is the Korean term for hobby. Again, 취미 means hobby. Next word is 차이다. Again, it's 차이다. This is a verb which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Again, 차이다 means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word is mocha. Again, it's mocha. This is a noun which means hat or cap. Again, mocha means hat or cap. Next word is pepu. Again, it's pepu. This is a noun which pertains to best friend. So it's sort of a shortened version of best friend. So again, pepu means best friend. Next word is talgi. This is a Korean noun and it pertains to strawberry. Again, talgi means strawberry. Next word is sek. Again, it's sek. This is a noun which means color. Again, sek means color.